Hello all, and let's see how to make this cute little macrame wall hanging. For this project we will need cotton cords and a wooden dowel. Cut 10 cords around 1.5 meters in length. I will put small pieces of tape at the ends of each cord. This will stop them from unraveling when working with them. Tie a scrap piece of string on the ends and tape the dowel on the table. You can even hang this over a hook and work the cords. Measure the center and tie all the 10 cords on the wooden dowel. We will tie them using the lark's knot. Divide the cords in set of 4s as shown here. Each set should have 4 cords. For the first row, take the first 4 cords and tie 2 square knots. Do this for all the cords. The square knot should come in a line across. For the second row, leave the first 2 and the last 2 cords out. Take the next 4 adjoining cords and tie 2 square knots again. Then take the next 4 cords and tie 2 square knots again. Do this across the second row, but remember to leave the last 2 cords out. Let's work the third row. Leave out the first and the last 4 cords and tie square knots again. So you will start to get a pattern which will look like the letter V. After you finish the third row, leave 6 cords out from both the sides and then tie the square knots again for the fourth row. Tie square knot with the 4 cords in the center. As you can see, we have a V-shaped pattern here. Now divide all the cords in half again. Take the first cord, place its slant at the edge of the pattern and start tying double hitch knots. Repeat the hitch knots with all these strings till you reach the center. Repeat the same from the right side. Take the last cord and tie hitch knot till you reach the center. This will make like a solid V-shaped line at the edge of the pattern. Separate all the cords in two parts again. Take the second cord from the middle, place in the opposite direction as shown. Tie double hitch knots. This time the cords will make a slant line in the opposite direction. Take the four cords from the center and tie square knots. Observe how I tie the square knots to make a diamond shape. These square knots have created a diamond shape now. We'll snip off all the loose cords in a line. You can even cut them in a V shape if you like and later comb out the strands. A cute little wall hanging is now ready. Don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you different macrame project. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?